Welcome to Vedic Mathematics for Schools. Today, the lesson 7 is going to focus upon Vedic Ganita Sutra 4. This course, as such, up till this stage, is for preliminary exposure to the Vedic mathematics. This is a mathematics of Vedic Ganita Sutras. There are 16 sutras complemented and supplemented by 13 Upsutras. Lessons 1 and 2 have given the general exposure to Vedic Ganita Sutra 1 applications for addition and multiplication as at base and at index. This sutra text is Eka Adhikain Purvain, one more than before. Lessons 3 and 4 are just initial exposure to Vedic Ganita Sutra 2, and it has been about the double-digit numbers of double columns format, and then the bigger numerals to be reduced by vinculum method as 1 4 bar, 1 3 bar, 1 2 bar, and 1 1 bar. Sutra is Nikhilim. Navastasha Charmam Dashita. Its simple rendering is all from 9 and last from 10. This is about 10 place value system. Of which 1 to 9 are numerals, and it is a place value. Lessons 5 and 6 are about Vedic Ganita Sutra 3. Text is Udharva Tiryak Bhyam. Simple rendering is vertically and crosswise. Its expression is like going upward and going diagonal wise, and the initial application of this has been taken for double digit numbers multiplication, which as is of double digit number for another double digit multiplication, result is of a triple form, and this is of expression. Here is a triple column setup where the first place digits multiply, the last digits multiplication, and then crosswise for addition. Then it has been shown as illustrative appreciation that this double digit numbers multiplication can be extended to triple and also of add more number of digits as well, and it was shown with the help of a number 123 to be multiplied by 123, and it was shown that two digits will give an answer for triple digit form, 3 and 3 it will give a 5 form, and then we had shown that first step will be by this multiplication, second step will be by these two numbers, third will be by all the three digits, then the last two and the last digit. This was the illustrative case taken up just to bring to firm comprehension as to the patterns and the way this system works. Now a step ahead, there is Vedic Ganita Sutra 4. Text is Pravartya Yojet. Simple rendering is transpose and unite. We can take it that if we are having progression with this orientation, then it is to be reversed, made in opposite orientation, and thereafter taking it to be +1 and same -1 by having their superimposition to reach at 0. This will further to have a more intimate comprehension of it, as that if we are having a pair of orientations format, then same also can be reversed like this, and if we are having triple axis format, the same as well can be taken into its reverse orientations like this. In Sanskrit, the expressions like this for number 3 and this for number 4 also takes us for opposite orientation. This is called a reflection pair. It is just like a mirror image. And then there is one symbol like this, which is for letter Sha, and its reverse orientation is for number 4. It has number 2 and it has number 4. Also we are having the symbols like this as a swastik pada and this for letter Ta. We are also having the expressions like this and inverse like this. It will be the coordination of all the 7 edges, all the 8 corner points of a cube having this form. We can reach from first edge and go on like this, or in reverse orientation we can be at this. Also in the numbers we are having 8, accept expression as 2 raised to power 3, and 9 as 3 raised to power 2. So see, it is of this orientation and another is of this orientation. Then in the case of double digit numbers, 01 is constituting a reflection pair with 1 0, 02 with a 2 0, and so on. These all features are of mirror image. Is a property of object and its image. Now if in a surface we have situation, then we can see that we can have a position like this and this pair, this and this pair, and see how the reflection is, though taken initially as a property of a light, prakash, but it is an operation. It is this operation in terms of which the Vedic mathematics is taking from numbers to Sthapatya geometric formats. It is called from Sankhya to Yoga, Sthapatya, the geometric format. All this is being stated at this initial stage just to give insight about this sutra, that this is a sutra which is taking us for being parallel with the reflection operation, and it is this reflection operation which at one stage may look like it is just from positive to negative. However, it is much more than that. This initial course, though ultimately is meant for instructions at initial stages in schools, but for that we have to prepare ourselves mentally, so it be taken that we are now formally expressing as that this course deserves to be designated as Vedic Mathematics Teachers Initial Exposure Course. Vedic Mathematics Teachers Initial Exposure Course. So it is an initial exposure and is also meant for Vedic mathematics teachers who will have the divine responsibility to instruct, guide, and teach young minds. We know mind creates intelligence field, and this intelligence field is to be provided a consciousness base, and it is this consciousness base which is to be provided by Vedic mathematics teachers. Therefore, if we are having really teachers of perfect intelligence, then and only then we can hope that we will be having proper Vedic mathematics course for young minds, because young mind is fulfilled with innocence. So it is the young mind which is having innocence domain, so it is an innocence fulfilled reservoir, and our teaching is to be like this, that the innocence is not having any scratch. So let me state at the outset that Vedic mathematics of Vedic Ganita Sutras is a mental mathematics, as it is meant for enriching the intelligence field created by mind, and it can be enriched only by providing it a consciousness base. So it is the mind called Man, and it is to be provided a consciousness base which is called a Chit. This is an organ which is as a senses director. Senses are being directed, or these are being taken as the mind. But for it, there is no definite organ of a body to which it is to be associated, but it is like a field, and this field is spread throughout, and so it is within each and every organ, particularly for the Man as well. In this background, now see that the Vedic mathematics text as Vedic Ganita Sutras is in a Devanagari alphabet. This being so, we have to acquaint ourselves well, and then we have to make the young minds also to be well acquainted with this script, Devanagari script, and its organization features, as it is going to be the foundation upon which the entire superstructure of Vedic mathematics, Vedic sciences, Vedic technologies is to be built. These are letters, Varan, and these have a Nad sound. So pronunciation, Ucharan, and then Vartani. Vartani means sequential order of writing. Say when we write Nad, the first is Na, then is A, then is Da, and then is Or. This sequence is called Vartani, or we can say sequential placement of letters one after the other. This is helping us that how we begin with Ekadhikain Purvain, and this Ekadhikain Purvain is not only one more than that, it is a first step followed by a second step. So this mathematics is in a Devanagari alphabet and having sounds with it, so we can well define that we are entering the field of Vedic mathematics as a speaking language. So we are having mathematics as a speaking language, and from this speaking language we have to reach at numbers, and from numbers we have to reach at geometry, and then we have to reach at algebra, which is called equations. And it is here where actually the Vedic Ganita Sutra 4, Pravarte and Yojit, we are having two parts as equal, and then if we want to take something from here and want to bring it here, then we give it a different orientation. Say if we are having this box and another box equal, then if we take something out from here and add here, then here it will be addition, here it will be a subtraction, and it is going to be a change of orientations. So it is this change of orientations as an operation, and this also as the reflection operation, and the same as well as the addition and subtraction as the pairs, and this also as a pair, and all the four operations ultimately becoming and getting unified as, so these are called arithmetic operations. So this is a one set of operations which are followed by sunlight as well. So how the Surya Prakash is to be tamed, to be followed, to be chased, and so our aim of Vedic mathematics is to reach at science and technology of sunlight. It is this Surya Rashmi Ganit, how this Vedic mathematics will ultimately become Surya Rashmi Ganit. Sit comfortably, and Vedic mathematics teachers, once they will be approaching it the way it is composed, because every system is to approach the system way, so Vedic mathematics is also to approach Vedic mathematics system way. The Vedic mathematics system is in the sequence composition of the sutras, so it will be inappropriate if we say that first step is to memorize the text. Memorize the text, then acquaint oneself with Devanagari alphabet. Thank you very much.